Hello, good evening, everyone. Today we are here with the very special guest, the famous Peruvian singer Isabel. She has achieved great successes in her career, and we are excited to learn more about her life and experiences. Welcome, Isabel.
Hi miss, my name is Isabel Anastasio Loli. Thank you, Eleazar. I am happy to be here.
How long have you sung professional?
I've been sang professionally for 12 years and I've already released 5 albums. My first one was in 2013 and it changed my life. Yes, I have already performed in Mexico and Argentina and I am planning to go to Spain next year.
What event has changed your life the most?
When I won my first music award in 2015, it opened many doors. However, fame also brought a lot of pressure. I haven't collaborated yet with international artists, but I hope to do it soon.
Since when have you written your own songs?
I have reading my song since 21 6 and I love expressing my feelings through music. Yes, I had a difficult year in 2020 during the pandemic.
In addition, what advice would you have to young people?
Believe in yourself and never give up. Success takes time, but every experience helps you grow.